Recycle, reuse, and repurpose. That's pretty much the motto of our homestead. We are taking apart this old rabbit tractor and reusing the parts to turn the goat barn into a chicken coop. We're making a door and a front, and then we're gonna go around, predator proof the sides, get it all good to go. That was the old rabbit tractor. The parts are fitting perfectly, actually. Couldn't have done it any better than if I meant to on purpose. So here's what we got so far. Izzy, leave Daisy alone. It's got a front, it's got a door with a latch. We just have to go around and do the wire, and then we're gonna use Bilboard tarp to close up the gaps, and then nesting boxes, of course. It came along quite well considering we were using reclaimed materials. You know how it is. You just piece things together with what you have and make it work. So things are not square, things are not beautiful, but it works. There's our little makeshift coop. I'm gonna go ahead and cover this with wire, this front section. The windows still work, so I'm gonna cover the inside with wire. That way we can still crank the windows open during the summer for ventilation. I didn't have enough tin to go all the way around and all the way up, so we did what we had, and we put a couple of roost bars in. Oh goodness. We put a couple of roost bars in. I made them some nest boxes. Come on out. I'm not sure I'm gonna love having to bend over and look for the eggs. I may try to raise them up, but I don't know. This is probably not my permanent situation, but I am excited. It's gonna be so much easier to clean the coop out. I'm gonna come and put some bedding in here. It will be so much easier to rake everything out the door. What are you doing, kitty, kitty, kitty? He's like, this looks like a comfy place to lay down. I had to come in and screw the milk crates to the wall because they kept tipping them over. I'm assuming because of that right there, they're like perching on the edge and deciding to jump in. Pink one may be too close to the roost, but we'll check that out. Looks like she is a late layer today. They're screwed to the wall now, so you can't tump it over.